5 important considerations for cleaning after the flu. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. With cold and flu season being dramatic as ever, it is important to consider ways to clean your home in a way that disinfects it and keeps it safe. You don't want people in your family getting sick one after the other, do you? Perhaps you too have only recently bounced back from the flu and are thinking the worst is over. Don't relax just yet. Proper cleaning will ensure that germs don't spread around and infect others in your household. In this guide, we will cover a few important tips for cleaning your home after the flu, to ensure everyone's health. First is, which rooms should you address first? You may dread the thought of doing an entire house cleaning job, but it may not be necessary. If you think about it, people with the flu tend to lay low for a few days, until the illness passes. What this means is that cleaning everything from top to bottom may not be needed, since the sick have had no contact with the entirety of it. Instead, they have likely been around the kitchen, bathroom and some shared surfaces in the bedroom. Cleaning the spaces where each sick person has spent time in is what you should be doing, instead of a full house sweep. The countertops in the kitchen, the handles and hardware in the kitchen, for instance, are the first areas you should address. Second, what surfaces to focus on? Some of the commonly touched surfaces include TV remotes, door handles and light switches. These can easily become a breeding ground for germs, so it is essential to disinfect them after someone has been ill. The flu virus can survive on these surfaces for about 48 hours, according to microbiologists. Disinfecting these non-porous surfaces is a must during the flu season, so get to it. Third, what else do you need to clean after an illness? Naturally, sick people tend to spend more time in bed, so it is a good idea to disinfect the sheets, pillowcases and other bedding components after they have been ill. Other items that harbor bacteria are cell phones and tablets. You should wipe those with a disinfectant wipe. Don't forget to wash your hands frequently, as an effective way to stop the spreading of germs. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Fourth, how quick should you clean after being sick? When it comes to cleaning hard surfaces other family members touch frequently, you should act quickly. You should start cleaning as soon as you know you or another family member has the flu. Waiting for cleaning day means increasing the risk. At most, you can wait to clean sheets until the symptoms subside. Fifth, what are the best cleaning products to use? It is important to pick the right cleaning products to disinfect the area. Anything that targets flu germs specifically works wonders. For instance, when you want to address the bathroom, bleach tends to do well. Wipe down the surfaces with water and a cup of bleach. Use this mix also on the handles and other spots. Wash clothes and bedding with a laundry sanitizer, as it kills bacteria that all of the regular detergents cannot. The light switches, doorknobs and handles you can address with antibacterial wipes. They are ideal for disinfecting small items and surfaces. All it takes is for surfaces to stay wet for at least 15 seconds, to kill germs. Following all of these simple tips can greatly help you prevent the risk of getting the flu. It is up to you to implement the tips outlined in this guide. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about the 5 ways to make your home healthier. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.